see the...
I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers.
Hey babes, it's Princess Sky Asia. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, you should definitely subscribe because anyways, for today's video, washing my hair, styling it. I kind of want to wear it into a bun. I haven't had my natural hair out in a minute. I love me some wigs. Also, it's been like super cold. I need my eyebrows done. I need to do my lashes, and I think I want to add some pink ends to my lashes as well. Yeah, right now I'm about to cut my charms off, so that way I can cut my nails to the new length I want. I'm not gonna start my nails yet because I have a client coming in a couple minutes, but I definitely want to get my nails. Also, yeah, I broke one, but I'm doing a fill on my nails because F that. I already have the nail set picked out that I like. I'm not going to show you guys yet, even though you probably saw it in the thumbnail. For my toes, I had all white last time, and I think I'm just going to do French tip this time. Why is it so freaking cold in this house? Oh, I figured it out. Okay. And, it's so cute, and it's pink. But, yeah, right now, I'm just cutting the charms off and then cutting into my new length. All the charms off, and they still look cute. And I'm just cutting them to... Okay, yeah. This, I don't know. I felt like I had cut my pinky too short, but I guess it should be a little shorter anyway. Okay, so it's later. Oh, by the way, these are how the nails look. I drilled all this stuff out, and I like this length. It's like medium long. I need to wash my hair, and I want to wash my hair before I do my nails, but I still don't think I'm gonna add charms. But yeah, all you have to do is literally do the application and then yada yada. Right now, I'm about to do my brows because I'm bored. It's super late at night, y'all. I should be in bed. But I'm gonna do my brows to at least get something out the way. And I was about to wash my hair because that's how bored I am. But then I was like, I really don't want to go to sleep with wet hair. Y'all see that? Y'all, look at them hairs. Also, I was picking out my skin, so do not mind. So I guess I could do it this way to show you guys, but I'm just raising my brows pretty much. Y'all see that? I'm literally just shaping my brows.
Damn, girl, I like how you dance. Shit, look so good, shake your nose here. Get the ball in up.
It's nice and shaped. So I'm about to go let this sit for a little bit and pour me some pineapple juice in my apple juice container. So we're gonna give this about 10 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna set an alarm on my phone for 9 minutes. You're not supposed to leave this on no more than 10 minutes, so I'm being a little sketchy because you know dang well this stuff been on already for 2 minutes probably. But yeah, so I got the water running. You can literally see the little hairs melted. It's all cute. First, I wish I had put a little bit more on this side. It turned out good though. And all of that is melted hairs. I don't know if you can really see it. Then my other side. Okay, look, you don't see that? That dark stuff is the melted hairs, y'all. It's not dirt, okay? Ooh. And that's what I'm talking about. It's giving clean. Dang, I took off okay. I was kind of scared because this one took off. Y'all, look how much hair this one had compared to the other ones. I was so scared to look, but period. It really gives off a wax appearance. Now it's time to these. Oh, you can see the little tiny hairs. And that was from the little mustache area. African soap bar. Definitely saw improvements. Yeah. It's finally time to wash this crazy hair, y'all. Also, my brows look so good. I was scared that they were gonna be like puffy underneath, you know, like how they look after getting waxed. And it was fine. Same with like the mustache area. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, yes. Do 4 sections. I just feel like it makes it easier. And then I put shampoo sitting there. I need to put some shampoo on my edges because there's so much glue clumped up, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I didn't get any film of me in the shower because I was in a rush. I literally have like 15 minutes or 10 minutes until my client gets here. I'm debating right now if I want to leave my hair like this and then like try and do it when she leaves, but all I wanted to do was like a quick slick back, but we gonna see.
Hey, you got maze, right? I won't let you down. It's like fun right now. It's like fun right.
All right, y'all, so the top of my hair finally dried. I just did nails, and yeah, my hair is still wet. It was dripping all like on my hoodie while I was doing nails, so that's great. I didn't even like do my edges or anything. I just like styled it to get it out the way. But I've decided I'm gonna do my toes because I have enough powder to my friends are going to a party tonight. I think this was like last minute, y'all, so now I feel like I'm rushed to do my nails. At least my toes done. No type of oil. We gotta make sure the oils are on. Period. I'm not playing around, y'all. It's Speedy Gonzalez up in here. My pinky first. Let me see if I made the right move. I mean, it looks like it's a bit on the dark side, but it'll work. See, I'm also happy I decided to do this because my grandma is taking her sweet time coming up here, which is another reason why I wanted to try and hurry up and see if I could get something done, because I think she still has to eat, and if that's the case, then I should definitely just do her toes then. Period. We got one hand out the way though, y'all. Like, I'm not playing. Okay, period. So this is filled in compared to this. I just need to fill in the thumb. Told you guys that was quick, y'all. This video has only been 7 minutes, so definitely did not take me long. It's probably most definitely gonna take me longer to fill the other side. Plus, when I get done, I still have to fix the broken nail. I want to check in and show you guys the application I filled in. I did that so quick. And then this is my other hand and the broken nail I fixed. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to come in and show you guys my set. Well, first, let me show you guys how my other hand looks. I'm not done yet, but let me show you how it's gonna look. I did another Hello Kitty set, y'all, because I really loved my other set, but I also really wanted to size down. And yeah, but here's my new set. Okay, it's giving. I do like how it's a tad bit more shorter, and yeah, I just love the Hello Kitty, and it still kind of goes with my toes, you know, like as far as them being white and stuff. But yeah, right now I'm just working, oops, sorry, not the dog hair, but yeah, right now I'm just working on the other one. All I have to do is 3 more nails, which are these 3, and then I'm done. Hey y'all, what up? It's like the next day. Actually, I don't know exactly when it'll be for y'all. It's not like morning. I'm just about to brush my teeth only because I just got done eating and I want to floss again because I just can feel the meat in my teeth. But I'm about to go brush my teeth, y'all, wash my face. Also, I need to wash my lashes because I'm about to do my lash fill now. Also, y'all, I got a new wig on now. But yes, so, oh my god, I totally forgot that I want to add pink to my lashes because my nails are pink. And then also, that way, when Valentine's Day comes up or whatever, I won't have to fill in a lot of my lashes. But yeah, I got my stuff. Alright, y'all, face is nice and clean and fresh. Alright, and now we gotta dry my lashes. And yeah, but if we're being honest, I do my lashes 2 times a month pretty much. I just usually wait till they start getting bad like this, or you know, like wispy, but I do my lashes as full as I can. I go for volume looks, not mega volume, so y'all. Okay, eyebrows are done now. I'm about to start my lashes, y'all, so here we go. Period, y'all. So I just put my bonder on. All I have to do is brush them out. And yes, I'm really fucking with the pink. When I had got them done, because I wasn't doing my own lashes at the time when I first tried color, she only put like 2 little ends of color, y'all. I don't do that. Like, girl, I could have did that myself. Like, I just feel like it should last with your set. There's no reason I should go in for a fill and all my little color, you know, be gone. Okay, so now I think I just need to check for some stickies. I need to put something like right here. I just opened it, but done now. Y'all see that? Purr. We got the cat eye wispy. Let me see, because I don't think I need my fan no more. I just needed it to make sure they were dry. This is cute, y'all. Period. Now we gotta I remember when I had first did my blonde wig, I wanted to actually put blonde, or I wanted to make sure white and blonde at my ends, but I got too lazy, y'all. So this is the end of the video. I did my brows, my lashes, my nails, my toes, and I also did like 2 different wig installs, y'all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.